This Disney DVD is enhanced with Disney's Fastplay. Your movie and a selection of bonus features will begin automatically. To bypass Fastplay, select the main menu button at any time. Fastplay will begin in a moment.
Doing things together, that's what family's all about. Building memories. Like watching movies together. That's become a thing we do now more than ever with Disney Blu-Ray. My family cannot believe how real the picture looks and the amazing sound. It feels like you're part of the movie. One of the best things Blu-ray offers is all the fun activities my family can play and explore together. Not to mention, Blu-ray discs are kid-proof and more scratch-resistant. Plus, your Blu-ray player plays both Blu-ray discs and all your favorite DVDs. And now there's an even greater value than ever before with a Disney Blu-ray combo pack. It includes a DVD so we can share the movie experience on the go, wherever we go. Learn how Disney Blu-ray can help you create new memories at DisneyUpgradeToBlue.com.
And now, look for all these new family favorites on Disney Blu-ray combo packs. A great value that includes a DVD copy of the movie.
Dumbo! Look! The magic feather! I can see it all now! Proud day.
New on Disney DVD. Hey! A holiday movie is just around the corner.
Yahoo!
All you need is a train to get there.
All aboard! Let's go!
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Mickey's Choo-Choo Express.
Let's Choo-Choo!
Take a ride with Mickey and the Clubhouse crew to make all your wishes come true.
The perfect touch!
With fun new bonus features
Hot dog!
from the hit Playhouse Disney series.
We're gonna choo-choo boogie! Choo-choo!
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Mickey's Choo-Choo Express on Disney DVD.
What is it that you have there, Piggy?
Maybe a surprise?
It's Valentine's Day in the 100-Acre Wood,
That sounds familiar.
and love is in the air.
Christopher Robin's been bitten by a smidgen, a member of the Love Bug family.
In the 10th anniversary of Winnie the Pooh, A Valentine for You.
It's very nice indeed.
A heartwarming adventure that celebrates friendship
Hiya, Piglet pal!
Silly old man.
and caring for one another.
You must learn to control yourself.
But I can't help it. I just like to show how much I care.
Featuring 3 fun songs,
When the love bug smites,
You shake in disbelief.
plus new to DVD, a bonus episode from the new adventures of Winnie the Pooh.
ooh, would you take a look at that?
Catch the Love Bug
I have it!
with Disney Winnie the Pooh, A Valentine for You 10th Anniversary Edition on Disney DVD.
New on Disney DVD. This spring, Minnie's got a passion for fashion.
Thank you!
From
from the hit Playhouse Disney series, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Minnie's Bow-Tique.
Three cheers for Minnie! That's swell!
Join your favorite Clubhouse friends
Let's go!
for the opening of Minnie's new store.
Come on, everyone. This is wonderful.
A picnic in the park.
Let's bring on the eats.
And an adventure that's buzzing with excitement. Plus, there's even more in store.
Super jellies.
With a cool pajama party bonus episode.
Come on, everybody! Let's do the Pajama Jam!
Do the pajama jam.
Don't miss out on the fun, because everyone's invited. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Minnie's Bow-Tique on Disney DVD.
Hot dog!
See the Marco found a cross section of paintbrush with a small branch into the flesh.